Alright, here's why most Autoblogs fail and how to succeed with simple SEO writing tool called Arvow. And let me just go here and point out what's the issue with Autoblogs fail. Now, most of the autoblogging, what they do is they write, sometimes AI hallucinates, okay? And you have to be careful with that. So the best thing to do when you're doing autoblogging or blog automation is check the articles. Okay, so that's how, and then adding knowledge bases. Now what happens is when you're writing an autoblogging or article without a knowledge base, so what happens without a knowledge base is without knowledge base, it finds info on web, and this leads to writing generic content. Okay, but if you add knowledge base, then it will be used the knowledge base as information to write consistently good articles. So which is why Arvow is good at this. So it has a separate sections to add knowledge base. So if I go here, go back, let me go back to the customization, and here click on knowledge base. And once I click on knowledge base, you can see I can add as many assets as possible. So if I click on add assets, I can add text document, PDF, or website itself. So I just upload my website as a knowledge base, and you can take a look at it. I add all this, and this is how you succeed with autoblogging. So this is a simple trick.